Naglagay naman ako kanina pero medyo kunti lang talaga nalagay ko. Ang nilagay ko sa marinade is yung malig na soy sauce, black pepper, ayan, tapos nilagyan ko ng sesame seeds, garlic. Unahin natin yung mix natin na onions, yung yellow at saka purple. Onion pa rin yan. Then let's add this fresh garlic, yung mushroom, yung naglagay ulit tayo ng olive oil. Panahin na natin kasi marami pang gulay tayong lulutuin. Dami mushroom. Sarap kasi talaga. Para madami tayong onions, isabay na rin natin itong carrots natin na maliliit na pagkahiwa. Carrots. Ayan. Itong sausage. Para pareho sila lahat may like health ingredients. But it's up to you. It doesn't really matter kung anong slice. Malaki. Cabbage. Celery. Yan. Wow. Maybe just half of it. I'm not gonna add any water in here. Just because there's still vegetables. Okay, just put that on top. Get that moist. Okay, let's just cover that. Okay guys, look at yan. Oh, nice. This is perfect. Wow, smells so good. I just don't want to burn it down. Ilagay natin ng bell peppers na red at saka yellow. Kasi yung lang eggs na hiniwa ko rin. Di mawawala yung onions. Lemon or lime. O diba? Okay na yan. Gusto ko nang magtikim at kumain ng konti. Aalis na din ako. O diba? It's so delicious, guys. So na lang, ang ilalagay ko yung dash. Oh, sarap! Enjoy natin, guys!